Now that the interior of the vehicle is clean, we're going to move to the outside. Now, the very first thing you're going to do before you wash the vehicle is you want to give the vehicle a quick rinse. And what the quick rinse does is it removes any sort of harmful debris that could get caught in your scrub brush or your wash mitt and potentially scratch the paint of the vehicle. Also, here's a pro tip. While washing the vehicle, something you can do is take Krown's Degreaser and spray down the front bumper and the door jambs of the vehicle before you hit it with the wash brush. The reason being is that the degreaser is going to loosen up any sort of insect guts as well as grease and grime that can build up in these areas, making it so that you get a better overall clean in the wash process. To wash the exterior, we're going to be using Krown's Wash N Wax. Now, a couple things that make this product unique is, for one, it's pH neutral. So what this means is it's extremely gentle on the surface of the vehicle. And for instance, if you have a vehicle that has ceramic coating on the surface, it's safe on ceramic coating as well. Now, something else about the product is extremely concentrated. You're going to see how little we use in this wash bucket. Now, after we fill up the wash bucket, we're going to wash the vehicle, rinse again. And then now we're going to move on to some other finishing touches.